Zambian small businesses have just gotten 70 million United States dollars boost aid growth. Now, Growth Investment Partners Zambia was launched in Lusaka on Tuesday by the President of the Republic of Zambia, Mr. Hakainde Hichilema. 3 partners are backing this. The British International Investment with 37.5 million United States dollars. Zambia's National Pension Scheme Authority, NAPSA in short, with 17.5 million United States dollars. And Swedfund, Sweden's Development Finance arm, with 15 million United States dollars. This mix of local and international capital changes the game for SME financing in Zambia. Why does this matter? SMEs drive over 70% of Zambia's economy and provide 88% of our jobs. Yet, those struggle to get loans they can afford. Banks often see them as risky, so funding either comes with higher interest rates or isn't available at all. GIP Zambia tackles this head-on. It offers loans in kwacha, protecting businesses from currency swings that can eat into profits. On top of that, it provides business advice and governance tools to help SMEs grow, formalize and compete. Now, President Hakainde Hichilema spoke at the launch and laid it out clearly. He wants this platform to team up with existing programs, avoid overlap and focus on results.
So this government decided, in support of SMEs and the economy overall, to invest in revival of the skills sector and dedicated the ministry alongside science technology, this minister seated here, to focus on bringing back our skills, necessary skills, so that when a kid is not good in mathematics, in chemistry, but they are good with their hands, plumbing, carpentry, we give them as much support.
Let's talk timing. Zambia's economy is in a strong position. The kwacha's gaining value. Global players like the IMF, World Bank, Bloomberg are giving Zambia's outlook a thumbs up.
The red metal is up 25% in the first part of the year. It's the best quarter since 2009. And it's up, 22% for the year. So that's the most among base metals. That's number one. Number two is that Zambia, not too long ago, 2020, defaulted. And restructuring was belatedly completed almost this time last year, July, is when the restructuring was done. And since that time, as you say, the debt has appreciated 22%. Which is extraordinary in the world, by the way. Zambia's debt and currency are actually outperforming just about every currency and bond market in the world.
Now, this creates a solid foundation for SMEs to grow, invest in new tools or break into new markets without worrying about currency risk wiping them out. And so, President Hakainde Hichilema highlighted 4 areas where GIP Zambia needs to deliver. First, affordable loans in kwacha to shield businesses from exchange rate volatility. Second, technology like shared digital platforms to help SMEs stay competitive. Third, joint ventures and co-investments to make businesses stronger and more resilient. Fourth, adding value to supply chains, turning raw materials into higher value products, whether in farming or in manufacturing. He didn't hold back on the stakes. Zambia has launched plenty of empowerment programs, but too many stumble on execution. What sets this platform apart? It's Zambia-led, backed, trusted global partners and built to operate at international standards. NAPSA's role is key. It ties our pension savings to the growth of our private sector, creating a cycle where local money fuels local businesses.
I am proud to see NAPSA stepping forward as a key partner to this transformative investment platform with BII and the Swedfund to form the GIPZ in collaboration with other key players on the market. Mr. President, this partnership is a clear demonstration of how social security funds, when managed prudently, can play a vital role in advancing national development.
Now, this isn't government fund or foreign aid. It's a strategic investment in Zambia's future. SMEs face real hurdles. Many operate informally, lack of collateral, or can't afford high borrowing costs. Women-led businesses and local enterprises often face even tougher barriers. GIP Zambia steps in with more than money. It offers mentorship, governance training, and market connections to help businesses formalize and scale. Whether they are a small farm in Eastern Province or a tech startup in Lusaka, the bigger picture is exciting. Strong SMEs mean more jobs, less poverty, and inclusive growth. This aligns with Zambia's vision 2030 to become a prosperous middle-income nation. It also sends a signal to global investors. Zambia is open for business with a government focus on economic reforms and private sector growth. GIP Zambia doesn't replace programs like CEC or the Constituency Development Fund. It works alongside them, bringing discipline and expertise to a fragmented financing system. If it succeeds, it could become a blueprint of Zambia and other African nations to unlock the potential of their SMEs. Let me wrap up with this. GIP Zambia is a bold move. It's a Zambian-led investment in the business that power our economy, backed by partners who share our vision. It's about creating jobs, driving innovation, and building a stronger Zambia. We are excited to see where this takes us.